Here I have ULEFONE Note 13P, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So firstly, what you have to do is to select your preferred language. I'll just stay with English, then tap Start. Then you can connect to the mobile network by inserting SIM card, but you can just skip this step for now and do this later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but you can also just skip this step and connect to the Wi-Fi anytime later. Then you have to set up date and time. Then you have to disable all Google services, agree Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Then you can set up security pin, but you can also skip this step and do this later in settings, or just don't do this at all. It's not essential. And your device is ready to be used. Wow, that was quick. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.